Chris here, Martin Atkinson Specialist Fans. Something a little bit different to video and show you guys today. This one is a long wheelbase DSG Transporter, finished in pure grey. Now this particular vehicle has 8 seats, so it's an 8-seater Transporter long wheelbase. Now this one was a Kombi conversion and the customer opted to have a rear bench seat as well. So you've got 2 captain seats in the front, full bench, 3 in the first section and 3 in the boot area. As usual, it's been MASV styled, so most of you who watch our videos will be aware of the bespoke styling we do, but I'll just walk around the vehicle and point some of the main features out. Okay, so it's got the gloss black grille and badge detailing, gloss black around the fog light surrounds, and a lower front splitter. Now the vehicle is a January 2372 registration, just covered 20,000 miles and is in super condition. So just the odd light stone chip on the bonnet. If you can imagine, the vehicle has done 20,000 miles. It's got the 20-inch gloss black Velar alloys and the Uniroyal Rain Sport tyres, gloss black mirror caps and surrounds. It's got twin side loading doors. It's got the trapeze side bars and the roof bars as well. So long wheelbase. It's all been serviced at Volkswagen, so full Volkswagen service history. It's got the privacy tint as well to the side windows and the tailgate. Smoke light cluster, tailgate spoiler, rear parking sensors, rear camera, got the bumper protector on there as well. The badging in gloss black to match. Just walk around the outside, show you the condition, and I'll go into the cab and then into the rear. It's going on fine. Okay, so I'll go into the cabin. So it's got our bespoke MASV 2-tone Napa leather. Front captain seat. Got this carbon sport steering wheel, adaptive cruise control, that's all standard. This one's the Highline model, so as I say, front and rear parking sensors, folding mirrors, adaptive cruise control, they're all standard. Air conditioning. It's also got the option of the heated seats and the DSG gearbox. 20,140 miles. Okay, side loading door. There we go, leather to match. No rips, tears, etc. in the leather, all nice and clean. So it's got what we call power latching door, so just show you that again. You don't have to slam the door. Soft close, there we go. Show you in the rear. So still plenty of boot space. Seat is removable. All the second and third row of seats are removable. It's all carpet lined. Alcantara roof lining with the LED downlights. All been converted using Volkswagen seats, etc. Reverse camera there as well. Shut that down. So just double check that. So there we go. It's got the infotainment system. Put your phone lead in the USB and Apple CarPlay works through the screen. Rear camera comes up on there as well. Came with a passenger seat. No rips, tears, marks on the leather. Again, power latching side door. There we go. So Transporter long wheelbase, 2372 registration, just over 20,000 miles. It's the Highline 150 DSG, pure grey, heated seats, rear camera, power latching, twin side doors. If you'd like more information, contact myself, Chris, on 07888 989877. The vehicle will be live on our website very shortly, www.martinatkinsoncars.co.uk. Thanks for watching. Speak to you soon. Bye for now.